Hey, what's up YouTube? As you can see, I'm a little late today. Had to watch the baby and everything, but here we are, October 7, 10 o'clock. I haven't really taken a trade yet because we've been chopping since market open. Let me show you. 9:30, just pure choppiness. I don't really know where the market is gonna go at this point. I got these two targets here, all-time highs, and another unfilled 1 hour gap. So we'll see where it goes. I mean, as you can see, it's just in a range. Kind of looking to see break out of this range or break out of this range somehow, and we'll go from there basically. Right now I haven't taken a trade. So we'll see. It seems like a very low probability day for trading. I don't want to get caught in this chop, but still got 1 hour. Let's see if we find something. Gotta get rid of this. This one has already been... no. Hasn't been inverted yet. I feel like if we invert this 15-minute gap, we might go down. If we keep holding this gap, we might, I don't know. Because we're pretty much chopping. Like, look at this wick. It's nasty. It's just a range. Top range. Bottom. All-time highs. So just put a new one here. All-time highs. What the fuck happened? Failed. Where is it? Right side. Whatever. Anyways. I mean, we had an SMT right here. We'll see if we somehow, you know, SMT. Actually, no, never mind. We didn't have an SMT. No SMT. Kinda want this 5-minute gap to be inverse if we're gonna be higher. If we're going higher, I mean. Or as long as we keep this 15-minute gap. This looks like a beautiful V-shaped recovery right here. 3 minutes. Yeah, leave. I guess we inverted this 3-minute gap. One hour. Oh, we made a new hourly gap, which has been filled already. So mm-hmm. 4 more minutes. Let's see here actually. If we get a nice reaction of this 3-minute gap, get rid of this one. Too much boxes. One minute somehow. It's pretty small though. I'll use this one. Nah, fuck that. 3 minutes. 10 seconds. Probably gonna inverse this. See if inverses 2. We did not inverse that one, inverse this one. And boom, 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 boom. Technically, I mean, I can probably target this. But I don't want to do that. It's too risky. Kind of want it to go down here, then we bounce back up. I can probably enter a trade off of that, depending on how the candle closes. If we end up bouncing, right, stop right there, sound. 1 and 1 to 1. Break even here somehow. So we touched the 50%, the 3-minute gap. I want like 2 strong bullish candles, something like these 2 here. These 2 bullish candles. Maybe we probably all target all-time highs, but we're not seeing anything. Still in the range, so I don't want to take this trade. We inverted this gap as well. We're respecting the 3-minute gap. We should probably focus on 3 minutes. Like if we're gonna be bullish over this gap, I want it to be like that somehow. Yeah, it's more of a waiting game now. Because I want this, if we do inverse this, I might look for longs. If we don't, this is the only target I got down here, the unfilled 1 hour gap. But I mean, we're not really going anywhere at this point. Like these 50-minute candles just wicks up and down. It's just ugly price action today. Like yesterday, we had a pretty clean shorts to the unfilled 1 hour gap. And as I was talking about yesterday, like we held that 1 hour gap right here. As you can see, 10 o'clock tapped the 1 hour gap as well. Bounced back up for new all-time highs. Took about 4 hours since I ended the stream. But we'll see what happens today. Just pure choppiness. Got this 1 hour gap holding, I guess. Sure, you have any? Hasn't even been tapped yet. Just 3 minutes holding. Waiting game. There's nothing much to do. Still got 40 minutes. Probably won't get my 5th winning day today. Holy shit. Hehehe. No, I had to change the leader account because this one has too much balance. It won't let me be the leader for some reason. So I changed it. This account needs 2 more winning days. This one needs 1 more winning day. Which is, I was kind of hoping maybe today would be the day, but we're not seeing any moves at all. Probably gonna make an SMT here if this guy, if ES somehow drops down all the way here, because we're not really doing much on NQ. And we reversed the 3-minute gap. But like I said, we're in the range. It's really, I might get chopped up and get stopped out to enter this. Probably something like this somehow. Bottom the range. 1-to-1. But it's too risky. I don't want to trade in the range. That's not how the continuation model works. It has to be in a trend. Something like that. This one was kind of overextended. Never got a retracement somehow until now. And it chopped up. Like this. PA would be a good area for continuation. This one not so much. This one from here to here. Right now, it's pretty shitty. Not gonna lie. I guess I'll just put this 15-minute back again. We got about 7 minutes. We'll see where this ends up. It's like we're just printing barcodes right now. I mean, let's see what happened to ES. No. Nothing. Oh, we did. Yes. SMT right here. Yes. As you can see. Actually, let's wait for this candle to close. It's the only way. Actually, no. We already made the SMT right here. So technically, this is more of a bullish SMT. Because ES took down the lows first. NQ failed to do so. Which shouldn't cause a bullish SMT. Because it took like the sell side liquidity first. Before NQ did. Because SMTs only happens on like equally paired, well, correlated pairs like NQ and ES. So we'll see if we somehow get a nice bullish reaction out of that. If the SMT holds, I kind of want ES to take this low right here, and we'll see if we get a nice SMT off of that. Possibly bounce off, maybe take all-time highs before 11 o'clock. Because once it hits 11 o'clock, I'm done. I'll wait for it tomorrow again. It's probably gonna be a no trade day if we don't get anything. Today in 35 more minutes. Anyways, get rid of this. Ah. This primary gap is holding pretty well though. Like top maybe in the center, 24. Primary gap, bearish. Like if we got a nice 15-minute close above here, we'll see what happens after that. But I mean, ES is so close to taking this unfilled 1 hour gap right here. As you can see, and we are pretty far away from it. Let's make another one here. Probably just a line. Different color. Oh sure, we're actually going down. We might take it. CS took it. If we fight, actually they haven't taken it yet. No. It's a strong candle right there. Oh shit, I forgot to. There's actually a bunch of targets down here. London lows and Asia lows. I haven't checked that. I guess we can target those if we somehow keep going down. So that would be here. It's London lows, Asia lows. So that would be the two targets down here if we end up displacing. But at the same time we also have midnight open. Somehow the price usually bounces back when it hits midnight open. So right here, midnight open. Let's probably do color purple. So we'll see. And that's a nice bearish candle. We broke out the range actually. So at this point, if we hold that range, we might go all the way down here. But at the same time, it seems like, yeah, we took the lows here, so I'm not sure if we're still gonna go down here, since we already took the unfilled 1 hour gap. We might just bounce back up, to be honest with you. What time is this? Yeah, I see. There's an SMT right here. It's like a bullish SMT. So, at this point, we'll see what happens. And, Jesus, actually inverted all these. Give it like 10 seconds. If we invert this, I'm gonna look for shorts all the way down here, even though we have an SMT. Price action is stronger than that. Yeah, so we inverted that. At this point, I'm looking for a nice, maybe another retracement. A 1 minute. Again, like yesterday. See, that's a pretty strong candle right there. I put my stops right above here, somewhere here. Kind of wanted to go retrace right up here, or if we end up having a 5-minute gap, that'll be the best scenario. But we'll see what happens. Seems like we're just dumping now. I'm not gonna enter off of this. It's not a good idea. It's not even gonna be 1-to-1. Fuck that. But yeah, we broke out the range. I believe we'll go down here, which is the unfilled gap, and we might bounce back from midnight up right here at midnight open. Usually that's what he does majority of the time, but we'll see how strong the bearish momentum is. 3-minute gap, nothing. I could probably use a 3-minute gap. If we somehow hold this, then we bounce back up and go down again. Because this would be a nice break-even point if we take a short towards the unfilled gap somehow. But we'll wait for a safe entry point. I'm not gonna FOMO into this. It's gonna get stopped out eventually. So there's an SMT, so let's see how that plays out. Middle, center, left. Somehow. See what I mean? Gotta be patient. Like there's nothing. Actually, yeah, because they inverted that. Like this is the next 15-minute gap, basically. So this is a really good target, to be honest with you. But SMTs, such, it's kind of getting weird here with SMT. And there's a 2-minute gap, I guess. We'll wait for a 2-minute closure. Should be down here, I believe. We can probably do something like this. Where is it? Hit the bodies. Something like that, somehow. Or just go for a 1-to-1. The wicks. We'll see. 1 minute is holding. Let's do 1 minute right here. See, what I want to see is another bearish displacement. Something like these two right here. If I see that, I'm going to enter shorts all the way here. But it seems like we're climbing back up. We inverted the 1 minute gap, so I don't want that anymore there. We didn't make any 5-minute gaps here. I guess we're just gonna start chopping again. Two-minute gap is still holding. We'll see, we'll see. I kinda like these ones, it looks like two equal lows. These are pretty good targets too, but I'd rather have that as my break-even point if we ever go short on this play. If this keeps flushing, you know, the SMT obviously won't hold. Okay, another one. Let's do another one here. Actually, we inverted that. Guess if it goes below here, that'd be nice. As long as it doesn't flush right away. No. Got 30 more seconds. I don't want to enter yet. But there's technically a small 1 minute gap here. I don't really know if it's a good idea. Like, it's not even gonna be a 1-to-1 at this point. Yeah, pop that. Yeah, I don't know. There's really no entry point for me at this point. It's just gonna get filled. Like I said, I'm not gonna FOMO into something that doesn't give me a proper entry point, like a safe entry point, because there's no point. Okay, this one's gone, this one is gone. Guess the only targets I got is here, if we keep dumping. We'll see. Well, that sucks. Whatever. At least we're out of range, so hopefully we get a nice move to the downside if we keep dumping. I'm not gonna target midnight open though, but I will target these lows, which is London lows, red, blue is Asia lows here. Pretty sure it's the right one here. Let me see. Yeah, this one, this one, this one. Yeah. So we'll see what happens from here. Just 20 more minutes. It's so fucking boring, man. Sure, let me look at ES. I guess the only target down for ES is the London lows. Because the Asia lows already got taken out in ES. So that's the only target right here. So we still got a chance somehow. Midnight open. I should probably get midnight open too. Where's midnight open? Midnight open is right here. Two purple. We'll see. Oh, it's bouncing off. We're pretty far away from midnight open, so I don't know. We took midnight open already, and Q has not taken midnight open. You can see we open right here. Midnight open right here. Midnight. Shit, it is gonna. He is gonna take London lows before we do. All-time highs. 1 hour. Yeah, if we invert this at 11 o'clock, we're gonna go down for sure. And there's no 4-hour gaps. Like the 4-hour gap is all the way down here. Feeling pretty bullish. 5 minutes. Okay. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get a trade today. Some bullshit. This bullshit right here really lasted for an hour. 9:30 till 10:27, almost an hour. I mean, not every day is going to be an expanding day, just like yesterday. Today we expanded, let's see here, from 8 o'clock, or, I guess from the lowest yesterday. We expanded 150 from October 5th, no, October 6th. October 5th, what the fuck? It should be October 5th, 1800. That's market open. October 5th, 1800. No. 1800. Expanded about 200-ish. 259. Yeah, we're not gonna get expansions every day. Everyone will be rich if that happens. Yeah. Let's see what's going on. 1 minute there. Care about. Like the target is so far away. It's like 80 points away. We either bounce back so we can target all-time highs again, or just dump down. Dumpy. Okay, 18 more minutes. And it seems like we don't get a nice gap. So that fucking sucks. Come on. Still got time. Where's that magnet, bro? Need this. So we can get a nice long to all-time highs. Come on. Need the magnets. Maybe Elon Musk. Elon Musk is somewhere here. But yeah, like around 9:30 I was trading on my phone. It's pretty hard because the screen is way too small. Pretty much getting tunnel vision because I have two screens. So definitely not a good idea to trade it on the phone. Or if you're outside. Just that emoji. Stickers. Maybe oh here. Elon Musk. Maybe it will go up so we can get an entry before 11 o'clock. See what we get. 15-minute close. Yeah, that's pretty strong, bro. We enjoyed this one again, I guess. Keep going down. Hmm. Oh yeah. What the fuck? Hmm. Now it starts chopping again. Some bullshit, bro. You know what? I'm getting off, man. Fuck this. No trading day. I'd rather preserve my capital and wait for the better days to show up, just like yesterday. So that's it for the day. No trades, no wins, no losses, which is a good thing. That's how you stay in the game, I guess. Don't force trades based off emotions or FOMOing. I could have FOMOed right here, and it would have been a bad. Let's see here. Yeah, like been shitty. Because I would have put my stop right here. It's not even gonna be a 1-to-1. There's nowhere for me to go break even. So hell no. Alright, that's it. Done for the day. See you tomorrow.